Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Trendline Forex here with a video on Bitcoin this Friday. Okay, so this is what we do on this channel every single week. I give you updates on euro, dollar, gold, and Bitcoin and Ethereum sometimes as well. And it is Friday today, so we're gonna have a look at the crypto market. All right, so these are short but full of information videos which are going to be very helpful for those of you who are interested in trading the majors, because when you know what's going on with euro dollar, with pound dollar, with let's say gold, you know pretty much what kind of setups you're going to be looking for on the rest of the major pairs. And so it's the same with the crypto market. When you know what's going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum and the dollar overall, then you will know what to expect on other crypto instruments as well. So very helpful information. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Videos like this are coming out every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. So I couldn't even wait until this Friday to look at Bitcoin, and I think I commented in it's either in my last video or the video before that, where we had this daily candle here on Bitcoin. Because before that, looking at this momentum right here, I was expecting that price will come and test those highs. Okay, looking to the left, we've got major structure, so I was expecting to see the market up here again. Well, we did get this daily candle right here with a long wick to the upside and closing down as a bearish candle. So as soon as I saw this price action signal, I said that we're probably going to see a continuation lower. Okay, and if you look at the let me just delete that. If you look at the 1 hour time frame here, this is exactly what we got after this daily candle right here. We saw a continuation to the downside. Now the thing is, if you don't have much experience, you'll probably get confused, because first we've got this candle to give us a signal for a potential reversal to the downside, but now we get the same candle in the opposite direction. So what's going on now? Is price going to go back to the upside, or what's basically the idea here? And this is what I want to talk about in today's video. All right, and I'll try to keep it short again. So we're going to drop down to the 4 hour time frame, and obviously I don't know what's going to happen for sure, but I do have some idea. Looking at the daily candle again up here, or basically this type of price action, I actually think we're going to see continuation even lower. All right, at some point eventually price will go back to the upside, but before that, I think we're going to see some sort of a deeper pullback. Now, we've got this most recent move, okay? And, basically this daily candle with a long wick to the downside is because, looking at the 4 hour time frame, we've got the initial move to the downside, okay? I'll fix that right now. We've got the initial move to the downside. We've broken below the lows right here, and obviously it is expected that there's going to be some stop loss orders below that low and this previous market structure as well. So we've tapped into this level right here, and we immediately get a pullback. All I want to see right now is whether this pullback will have enough strength to break above this high, or it will test it and then push lower again. And this second scenario is basically what I'm expecting to see. Okay, so I would say short term you can look for selling opportunities. So all you want to do is to wait for this pullback to give you a sell entry. All right, and this could happen around the 67,000 level. Okay, I've got the Fibonacci retracement tool on this last swing move, and you can see that the 61.8 retracement level from that tool is right at the $67,000 mark, which is a psychological level as well. I think it is a very suitable level for price to come, give you a test, and you're going to be looking for pretty much the same signal that you had on the daily time frame. A long wick to the upside. We want to see that price is rejecting those higher levels, and then you want to see a nice close down here. So then you can take a sell entry. All right. Now, when it comes to targets, obviously we're going to be targeting previous lows. If you look at the daily time frame, I think we will have enough strength to come down as low as 56,000, maybe 57,000, basically to retest that previous major low right here on the daily time frame. So this is definitely going to give you some good short opportunities as long as we get a confirmed entry. All right, and a confirmed entry for me would be around 61.8. Now, I wouldn't use pending orders because I want to see that rejection, all right? Because we can easily see that the market just continues higher, all right? So it really depends on what kind of momentum it gathers when it pushes back to the upside, okay? So that's pretty much what I'm looking for here on Bitcoin. Now, what does that mean for Ethereum? Well, you can see that, I think in last Friday, what we talked about was price, you know, moving up here. Well, that didn't happen. I mean, the market found some resistance here at those previous levels, okay? And then we pushed lower. So we're now testing the previous lows here, right? I think we may see price continuing slightly lower, and right around the level around 3,000 is our first support. Okay, if you look at the daily time frame, we've got some rejection wicks already, but considering what kind of price action we get on Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin actually continues lower, then this is what we're going to see here on Ethereum also. All right, so this is the 4-hour time frame. I've got the Fibonacci 2 placed from this low up to this most recent high, okay, and I think the 76.4 is a good pullback level considering where price currently is, which is the $3,000 mark. So watch out for this level. We may come for the retest and then push back to the upside from around 3,000, okay. And if we see Bitcoin testing the daily low, well, that means we're probably going to come and test those lows here on Ethereum as well, which is around 2,800, 2,850. Okay, but first we need to pay attention to 3,000 level right here as our first support. So that's pretty much all. If you find this kind of information helpful, you can join our premium Telegram channel. This is where we look at each one of those pairs on a daily basis. So I'm sending out videos like this every single morning, or basically before London Open, based depending on where you're based. But yeah, we're looking at setups every single day, talk about trading opportunities, stop loss levels, take profit levels, entries, and so on. So I'm pretty sure for those of you who are trying to, take this thing seriously, that will be something very, very helpful. So find the links in the description below this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our email newsletter, and you'll get updates on those setups that we look throughout the week. You'll get updates every single Monday. Okay. Leave a comment below this video. Let me know what you think. And do you actually trade crypto? And if you don't, then watch some of our other videos on euro, dollar, gold, and other instruments. I'll see you guys in the next one.